Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable Microsoft Family features. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to disable Microsoft Family features here, well, there is an easy way for you to do this. Now, first things first, you want to go and just log in into your computer, and you want to make sure that you are using an admin account. So, meaning it's the original account or the account that can access mostly everything in your computer. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go and just go to your search bar, and you want to go and just type in Control Panel. Now, you want to go open it up. Now, inside Control Panel, you want to go to the top right here. You want to go to View By, and you want to make sure that you've selected Large Icons. Now, in here, you want to look for Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and open it up. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and look for Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and just click on it, which is usually at the left side here. Now, inside that section, you want to make sure that you are able to change your settings. Now, if you have the Allowed Apps and Features section here not enabled, you want to go and just click on the Change Settings option here, and that should now be enabled, and you should be able to change a few things. Now, in here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here, and you want to go to the M section here until you see the following, which is going to be Microsoft Family and Microsoft Family Safety. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure to remove the check next to those options here. As you can see right now, I'm removing them. And once you've done that, you could go and just click on the OK button here. Once you've done that, you could go and just close this one and basically start your PC or your computer. Now, once you've done that, that should fix your problem. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.